In this video, I'm going to show you some options you have to make the URL or the link to the content you're sharing through Google Drive. I'm going to help you make it look better and work easier. I'm going to show you what options you have as well for customizing the actual URL. But before I show you these ideas, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have a question about what I'm sharing, comment on it. If you like the series, The Ultimate Guide to Google Drive Sharing, do me a favor and do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you get notified of more content, because I have more content coming. Customizing the URL to your Google Drive content when you're sharing. Let me show you some options. Look, this is a folder I've got shared right here. I can do this exactly the same process on folders, Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Sheets, etc., etc. So I'm going to take this folder right here. I'm going to get the URL. Now you can see I'm already sharing it with Teddy Burris. I'm going to hit copy the link, and I'm going to go to a Google Doc in this Google Doc. And I'm going to go, hey, Teddy, here is the URL to the folder I want you to have access to. Now, look here. I'm going to highlight the word URL. I can hit Control K or Insert Link right here. Insert Link, which is Control K. I can paste, which is Control V. Paste that URL in there and hit Apply. Now that's the URL, which, by the way, this is what the URL looks like. If I paste just the URL in here, which is, Control V or Edit Paste, this is what the URL looks like. Now it's long and it's ugly, but if you want to make it look better, then this is the best option you had. Now, by the way, I could take, if I want to, and I could say URL to shared folder. And I can highlight that whole text and hit Control K or Insert Link, Control V or right click and paste, and hit Apply. Either one of these options here, this text up here or this text here with the URL associated with the text, looks a whole lot better than that looks. This is the best option you have because there is no option to change the URL when you're sharing Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and sharing Google folders from your Google Drive. Whether you're doing that with in free Gmail or business Gmail. Now, I'll show you one option that you do have. If I go to some Google Forms and I go get this Google form right here, I'm going to open this form up. If I want to share that form publicly for people to fill out the form, this is the option you have. When I go to send, I have the ability to send the link. And I had look, it's a long, let's copy that link. Control C, copy it. Let's go put it in my document and come back and talk about it in a minute. That's what it looks like. Again, long, ugly thing. But I do have the ability to shorten the URL. Let's copy that and go paste that next to this. And it's still somewhat ugly, but it's not as ugly as this is. Now, again, I have the ability still to say, please fill out this form. And I can highlight the word form, hit Control K, and hit either Control V or right-click paste and apply. And this right here is exactly the same link that this is right here. And interestingly enough, this is the shortened version of this right here, but they are all three the same thing. Again, in the context of sharing forms, this looks a whole lot better than this, and again, significantly better than that. But I also will offer to you, be transparent. Do not share a link and pretend it's something else. These are your options for sharing URLs and adjusting how a URL shows up when you share Google Drive content with others. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.